Have you ever felt that gut-wrenching moment when you open your banking app, ready to pay for something important, only to be met with a message saying your account has been blocked? Panic sets in, your heart races, and a million questions flood your mind. Why? What did I do? Is my money safe? Today, we're diving deep into the reasons why Monzo, or any bank for that matter, might block your account, and what you can do about it. It's crucial to understand that banks don't just block accounts on a whim. They have legal and regulatory obligations to prevent financial crime, protect their customers, and maintain the integrity of the financial system. While it can feel incredibly frustrating and inconvenient, account blocks are often a necessary measure. So, let's explore some of the most common reasons why your Monzo account might be blocked. 1. Suspicious activity. This is probably the most frequent cause. Banks use sophisticated algorithms to detect unusual transactions. If your spending patterns suddenly change drastically, or you make a large payment to an unfamiliar recipient, the system might flag it as suspicious. For example, if you typically spend £50 a week on groceries and suddenly make a £5,000 online purchase, it's going to raise some eyebrows. Similarly, international transfers to high-risk countries or multiple transactions in quick succession can trigger an alert. This is a protective measure designed to safeguard your funds from potential fraud. 2. Security concerns. If Monzo detects unauthorized access attempts to your account, they'll likely block it immediately to prevent further damage. This could happen if someone tries to log in with the wrong password multiple times, or if there's evidence of phishing or malware activity on your device. It's like a security lockdown to protect your hard-earned cash. 3. Identity verification issues. Monzo, like all banks, has a legal obligation to verify the identity of its customers. This is known as Know Your Customer, KYC, compliance. If there are discrepancies in the information you provided when you opened your account, or if you fail to provide requested documentation, your account might be blocked until the verification process is complete. This is a crucial step in preventing money laundering and other financial crimes. 4. Legal or regulatory requirements. Sometimes, accounts are blocked due to legal or regulatory requirements. This could be related to court orders, bankruptcy proceedings, or sanctions imposed by international bodies. For instance, if you have outstanding debts or are involved in legal disputes, your account could be frozen. Similarly, if you're suspected of involvement in illegal activities, law enforcement agencies can request the bank to block your account. 5. Terms and conditions violations. Monzo, like any service provider, has terms and conditions that govern the use of its services. If you violate these terms, your account could be blocked. This could include using your account for business purposes when it's intended for personal use, engaging in abusive behavior towards customer service staff, or attempting to manipulate the system. 6. Dormant account. While less common with modern banks, some accounts might be blocked if they remain inactive for an extended period. This is often done to protect the account holder from potential fraud or misuse. However, Monzo generally has a more lenient approach to dormant accounts, but it's always good to check their specific policy. 7. Technical issues. Occasionally, account blocks can be due to technical glitches or system errors. While this is rare, it can happen. If you suspect this might be the case, contacting Monzo's customer support is essential. So, what should you do if your Monzo account is blocked? 1. Don't panic. It's easy to get stressed when your bank account is blocked, but panicking won't solve the problem. Take a deep breath and try to approach the situation calmly. 2. Contact Monzo immediately. This is the most crucial step. Reach out to Monzo's customer support through their app, phone, or email. Explain the situation and ask for clarification on why your account has been blocked. Be polite and cooperative, as this will help expedite the process. 3. Gather your information. Before contacting Monzo, gather all relevant information, such as your account details, recent transactions, and any correspondence you've had with the bank. This will help you answer their questions accurately and efficiently. 4. Be prepared to provide documentation. Depending on the reason for the block, Monzo might ask you to provide additional documentation, such as proof of identity, proof of address, or details about specific transactions. Be prepared to provide these documents promptly. 5. Be patient. Resolving an account block can sometimes take time, especially if it involves complex investigations or legal procedures. Be patient and follow the instructions provided by Monzo's customer support. 6. Keep records. Keep detailed records of all communication with Monzo, including dates, times, and the names of the representatives you spoke with. This will be helpful if you need to escalate the issue. 7. Understand your rights. Familiarize yourself with your rights as a banking customer. You have the right to know why your account has been blocked and to appeal the decision if you believe it's unjustified. 8. Consider escalation. If you're not satisfied with Monzo's response, you can escalate the issue to their complaints department or to the relevant financial ombudsman in your region. Preventing account blocks. While some account blocks are unavoidable, there are steps you can take to minimize the risk. Keep your contact information up to date. Notify Monzo of any significant changes in your spending patterns. Be cautious about sharing your account details with others. Use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication. Be wary of phishing scams and suspicious emails. Comply with Monzo's terms and conditions. If you're traveling abroad, inform Monzo in advance to avoid triggering suspicious activity alerts. Remember, communication is key. If you're unsure about anything, it's always best to contact Monzo's customer support and clarify the situation. They're there to help you and ensure the security of your account. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.